everybody and welcome to my channel. Yes, you guys are gonna see a cat butt, but yeah, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. CVS ended up becoming awesome. I did have a problem at the very end because he ended up scanning like that gift card thing that we have for the beauty, and it ended up like messing everything up, so we had to redo it. So anyways, this still turned out to be a free moneymaker from CVS. I love it when I can get it, a free CVS moneymaker. So I'm here to share with you guys what I did. So I ended up getting the Kotex pads. Now these were $7.49. I did have a $1 off digital coupon, or there was a Peely coupon, or we also have a $1 off coupon in our inserts that we got, I think, from last week. You guys would end up paying $6.49, but then you get a $3 extra care buck when you buy one of these. Plus, you guys can submit your receipt to Ibotta for a $2 rebate. So this comes out to be $1.49. So this is $56 for $1.49. I think that's a pretty good deal. And you always want to try to get stuff free, but not everything happens for free. But for $1.49 from $7.49, I think that's a great deal. I had a freebie item that I wanted to get, and I'm like, I don't know what I need to get, but I always do need Q-tips. So I think these were $3.69, so I got these absolutely free. I looked last night on the app, and then I added it to my cart, and it went through. So got this absolutely free if you guys need a beauty or cosmetic item. So Q-tips is something we definitely use. So we got that. I ended up doing the like spend 25 deal, so I ended up getting these Schick razors. Now these were $9.99. I also got the Tresemme, and the Tresemme was 2 for $8. $2 for $8? Yeah. So what I ended up using is two $3 off coupons that we got from our inserts last week, and then I also used a $5 off of any razors CRT. And then for the Tresemme, they were 2 for $8, and I used a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts today. And then I also had a $2.50 off of 8 Tresemme CRT, so I ended up using that. You guys would pay $11.48 for the both of these, but you'll get a $10 beauty gift card when you spend $25 or more. So I got the $10 gift card, plus you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 times 2 for this. So these basically came to be a $1.52 moneymaker. So I think that was a great deal. If you guys need to save up on, you know, Tresemme and all that stuff. So yes, I ended up doing the Irish Springs deal. These were 4 for $10. I didn't have any CRTs that would go with them, so that's still fine. But you guys want to buy 4 of them, you would pay $10 for this, but then you get a $5 extra care buck, making these just $5 or $1.25 a piece. So I ended up doing that deal. Yeah, I haven't gotten bars of soap in a long time, so that was exciting for that. I ended up doing the Oral-B toothbrushes. Now I'm so wasted in toothpaste that I'm just gonna avoid toothpaste as much as possible. I'm gonna really try to get toothbrushes and mouthwash because yeah, it's ridiculous how much toothpaste we have, and toothbrushes never go bad. So if you ever stop couponing, you could have enough toothbrushes to last you 10 years. But anyways, these were $2.99. I had to make sure I scanned all of them that made sure they were $2.99 because some of them I grabbed were not on sale. But I ended up getting 4 of them. The other one's somewhere in my little bag that I have. But I used a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, plus I had a $1 off Oral-B digital coupon that I used. So you would pay $5.96 for all 4 of these. But this deal is a limited 2, so every 2 that you buy, you get $3. So I bought 4 of them, so I actually got $6 back in an extra care buck. So everything became for free. Pretty excited to get, I got another toothbrush right there. So I'm pretty excited to do that. Now, I had a 4 off of 18 shampoo, conditioner, CRT that I did not want to go to waste. So I'm like, okay, what can I use? Because I was going to use it towards the Nexus deal. I'm like, nope, can't use that. And I was going to use it towards the Trust-A-Me, and I'm like, nope, can't do that. So I ended up getting Dove, Axe, and Suave to do this deal, okay? So the Axe was $5.79. They were buy one, get one 50% off. I didn't have any coupons for this, but you guys would pay $8.68 for this, but then you get a $2 extra care bucks back. Plus you can submit your receipt for $2 times 2 with Ibotta, where it comes out to be just $2.68 or $1.34, which I think is $1.34 is a pretty good deal. But then I also got the Dove shampoo and conditioner. These were 2 for $8. I used a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts today. I also had a 3 off of 2 CRT for Dove, and then I also had a $2 off CRT for Dove. So I got these absolutely free. I didn't even have to get any, there was no ECPs back, but I got these absolutely for free. I ended up doing the Suave shampoo and conditioner. These were 2 for $6. I used a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts today. I had a 2 off of 2 Suave coupon that I used. So you guys would just pay $1 for both of these. But then you guys can submit $1 times 2 with Ibotta, making it a $1 moneymaker. So there was that. So if you add everything together, so 2 of the Suaves, 2 of the Axe, and 2 of the Dawns, it came out to be $22.68 for these 3. So that's why I used a 4 off of 18. With all those coupons that I mentioned, it comes out to be, plus with the $4 off of 18, it comes out to be $5.68 for 6 of these. Still a pretty good deal. But you guys will get a $2 rebate times 2 with Ibotta, and a $2 rebate times 2 with $1 rebate times 2 with Ibotta for that. So this comes out to be a $2.32 moneymaker. Plus you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You'll get points. You might not get as good points because Fetch Rewards and CVS do not mix well together, but that is a pretty good deal. And then those all count towards beauty. So I think I'll be getting beauty quite a bit today because with Nexus I got $30 worth. With the shampoos and the conditioners I got over $30, so that's $6 right there. And then yeah, so, and I got a couple other things, so I ended up getting the CoverGirl mascara. I don't get any more eyebrow pencils because I kind of use them. I've been using other stuff and not many people use them, so I understand it's like a huge money maker, but I have so many eyebrow pencils that it's just ridiculous. Mascara is the best thing that I can let people want. So yeah, so these were $6.99. I used 2 $3 off coupons that we got from our inserts last week. I had a 2 off of 10 CoverGirl CRT. So you guys would pay $5.98 for the both of these, but then you get a $6 extra care buck, making them absolutely free. So loving it, loving it, loving it. I ended up doing the Trust-A-Me. Now I wanted to get some shampoo and conditioner, but I like it how their shampoo is like half the price of the conditioner. It's just crazy, but I have so much that I need to use it, so I thought let's get some sprays. So these were $14.99. I used 2 $5 off coupons that we got from our inserts today. I also used a 10 off of 30 CRT. So you guys would pay $9.98 for the both of these, but then you get a $10 extra care buck for spending $20. So these come out to be absolutely free. So pretty excited for that. And then the last deal I did was the paparazzi. I ended up getting these. These were 2 for $5. I got black because black's one of my favorite colors, plus Halloween's coming up. But 2 for $5. You guys would pay $5 for this, but then you guys will get a $4 extra care buck, making these just $1. I did have Persil. I forgot to bring it down, but I actually had a $2 off digital Persil. So the Persil was on sale for $5.99. I had a $2 off digital coupon for the Persil. And then I also had a $2 off CRT for Persil that was ending today. So you guys would just get it for $1.99. I forgot to bring it downstairs. But that was my haul. My cat is currently sitting on my clipboard. So that was my haul. My total came to $5.95. I ended up using $45 worth of extra care bucks, but I did receive $46 back. So my total technically came to $4.95. I will be getting $9 back with Ibotta, making it a $4.05 moneymaker. I got everything absolutely for free, which is awesome. So if you guys enjoyed this if you guys enjoyed the CVS Ibotta haul and CVS haul, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all next week. Bye!